Welcome to Insect Explorers, where curiosity is your compass, and every leaf, log, and patch of soil holds a hidden universe.
This is your invitation to become a backyard detective, a field scientist, and a fearless adventurer in a world of miniature marvels.
Grab your magnifying glass and prepare to shrink down to size as we embark on thrilling expeditions to meet the astonishing creatures that buzz.
Grasshoppers can jump up to 20 times their body length, thanks to their strong hind legs.
Grasshoppers make sounds, called stridulation, by rubbing their hind legs against their wings to attract females.
The grasshoppers look like small, wingless adults, and molt several times as they grow.
Grasshoppers live in grasslands, forests, deserts, and even urban areas.
Butterflies cannot chew solid food. They have a long, straw-like proboscis that acts as their tongue. It stays coiled up under their head until they find a liquid meal like nectar, rotting fruit, or tree sap.
At which point, they unroll it to drink. This behavior is called puddling.
Male butterflies often gather in groups on wet soil or puddles to suck up minerals and salts.
By carefully washing away the debris, the vibrant colors of the insects are revealed. It's a bridge from the field station back to the natural world.
They thrive in dirty, damp, and dark places, like sewers, drains, and garbage.
This association with unsanitary conditions makes them a vector for bacteria, like E. coli and Salmonella,
which they can pick up on their legs and bodies and then track onto our food and surfaces.
That sudden, unpredictable scuttling is deeply unsettling. It triggers a primal startle response. Even when cleaned, the appearance of the cockroach belies its nature as a creature that thrives in filth and decay.
Honeybees live in colonies with a complex social structure, including a queen, worker bees, and drones. And honeybees perform a dance to communicate the location of flowers, water, or new nest sites.
Honeybees are responsible for pollinating around 1/3 of the food we eat.
Including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. The buzzing comes from the rapid beating of their wings about 200 times per second.
Scorpions glow blue-green under ultraviolet light due to chemicals in their exoskeleton.
Scorpions give birth to live young, unlike many other arachnids.
This specimen dates back millions of years.
Newborn scorpions ride on their mother's back until their first molt.
Scorpion venom is being studied for cancer treatments, pain relief, and brain tumor detection.
Scorpions have existed for over 430 million years, even before dinosaurs. They have 8 legs, claws, parfs, and a curved tail. Cleaning the specimens is crucial for analysis. Once clean, we can compare them directly to the real thing. The desert scorpion uses these pincers defensively.
Crabs are arthropods, related to lobsters, shrimp, and even insects. They have hard exoskeletons,
made of chitin. Crabs have 5 pairs of legs, with the front pair modified into claws.
After cleaning the plastic model, we can compare it to footage of a real crab in its natural habitat, observing how it scurries and feeds.
Dragonflies are living fossils. They existed long before the dinosaurs.
With fossil records dating back over 300 million years.
The prehistoric ancestors,
prehistoric
Gemmelwad, had wingspans of up to 2.5 feet cauli.
They can hover in place for up to a minute, fly backwards,
and change direction instantly. These remarkable insects, known as dragonflies, are frequently referred to as living fossils, having changed little over their 300 million year history.
The prehistoric ancestors of today's dragonflies had wingspans of up to 2.5 feet.
They can hover in place for up to a minute, fly backwards, and change direction instantly.
Rhinoceros beetles are a group of large herbivorous insects.
They are named for the distinctive horns on the males, which they use to fight other males for mates and territory.
Larvae eat decaying wood and plant matter, while adults feed on sap, fruit, and nectar.
Factoring in the distinct horn structures, this specimen clearly belongs to the Dynastina subfamily, commonly known as the rhinoceros beetles. The male atlas beetle uses these prominent horns to fight off rivals, showcasing their strength in the struggle for survival.
Larvae eat decaying wood, while adults feed on sap, fruit, and nectar.
The prominent horns of the rhinoceros beetle are primarily used by the males during intense battles for mates and valuable resources in their habitat.
Notice the distinctive horn structure. This is used in spectacular battles, allowing the beetle to lift and flip its opponents.
Snakes are reptiles. They belong to the order Squamata and are closely related to lizards.
Snakes can consume prey much larger than their heads because their jaws are connected by very stretchy ligaments.
They eat rodents, birds, eggs, frogs, fish, and even other snakes.
As we wash away the sediment, the vibrant warning colors become clear. In this environment, looking dangerous is often enough to deter a predator.
We use the washing basin to carefully clean the mud off these plastic insects, revealing their details for study and comparison against the actual species.
Red imported fire ants are native to South America, but they have spread to the United States, Australia, China.
Red ants can sting repeatedly and inject venom that causes burning pain, itching, pustules.
Red ants have a caste system with queens, quarries, workers, quarries, and soldiers boss.
Red imported fire ants, Portestians, but many other species are also red in color.
This clean specimen reveals its true nature. It's a plastic replica, distinctly different from the organic samples found in the field.
When we look closely at the underside, we can see the stinger, which in many species delivers a potent venom.
Spiders play a crucial role in controlling insect populations.
Making them important for ecological balance.
Spiders inject digestive enzymes into their prey and suck up the liquefied insides. Most spiders are solitary and predatory, feeding mainly on insects.
Spiders produce different types of silk for different purposes: webs, egg sacs, wrapping prey.
Rhino beetles spend most of their life as grubs underground.
The Coccinellidae family, or lady beetles, are known for their vibrant colors and spots. These mark
The most distinctive feature of the rhinoceros beetle is, of course, the prominent horn on its head. These horns are used primarily for defense and for jousting.